Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is my crisp, easy, delicious jackfruit salad wrap. Vegan, gluten-free, and low in fat. And you just can't get better than that. So let's get this salad party started. We start with jackfruit. You're going to want to drain it, rinse it, and shred it. And I shred it with my hands. Now onto the easy, low-fat ingredients that will make up this wrap fresh, crisp, and delicious. If you don't like these choices of ingredients, change them up. I don't care. Keep the changes similar in texture, and that's what will pull this salad together. This is my favorite vegan mayo, just mayo. They also have a garlic version that I'm crazy about. Okay, let's throw it all into a bowl. I got my jackfruit, I've got my celery, I've got my red onion, sun-dried tomato, and basil. Now the vegan mayo. A little goes a long way. Start off slow. You can always add more. The less you use, the lower in calories. Salt and pepper to taste, fresh herbs. If you want to use a salt-free alternative, this is an awesome time to give it a shot. Mix it all together really thoroughly. And don't forget my favorite part, give it a taste test. That's the only way you're going to know it's delicious. Now line your wrap with baby spinach, kale, some sprouts. If you want some pumpkin seeds, any type of seeds, make them raw. Maybe some dried cranberries. This is so versatile. Wrap it up. Of course, my gluten-free wrap didn't do very well, but who the hell cares? Just eat it. It's so delicious. Go to veganglutenfreelife.com for the full recipe and so much more. And remember to have fun in the kitchen and let me know how you made it your own. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye.